everybody. Today I wanted to show you something interesting. This lovely plant, the ZZ plant. It's so beautiful, shining. And look what I have here. I don't know what it is. Is it a bloom? I believe this is a bloom. Guys, I never seen a bloom from a ZZ plant, so I can't wait to see what happens. I'm wondering if it will open. You must be wondering why the red string. I don't know. We have this saying that a red string will protect. I don't know. I'm sure you have known about the red bracelet too. The same thing goes for the plants. And this ZZ plant was downstairs, and I decided to bring it upstairs in the gym room, which is a gym room, a plant room, a sewing room. Yeah. I think it's 3 or 4 in 1. Yes, look how vibrant. Look how shiny these leaves are. And it's not really sunny today. It's cloudy, but I'm sure you can see how lovely the plant is. Now, these are tiny ZZ plants, which I've also put it together with a big one. But it seems not to be that happy because they're kind of yellowish, the leaves. I just watered the plants just now. And yeah, so I can't wait to see what's going to happen with this bloom. I will keep you up to date and see what goes on. Okay, so an update and see if anything happened. Well, it did open a bit. And there you go. That is as far as it gets. And that's the bloom. It's amazing. Excuse my fingernails. I've been gardening, so that's why my nails are not that clean. But yes, there's the update for the bloom. I'm quite happy with it. It's my first time I've got a bloom. Just the same as the dumb cane that I had a bloom. My first time on both. And I'm quite satisfied with it. It's such a lovely plant. Well, my friends, that is all, and I hope you enjoyed this little small video, and I want to thank you very much for your support. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye!